Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability law firm. We're doing claims in Brevard County and other counties in Georgia now and all that jazz, but I've been saying that for so many years in these videos. Let's just go with Florida, Georgia, and the states around that area. Let's go ahead and begin. Why did they take away my SSDI benefits? Why did they take away my Social Security Disability Insurance benefits? Why did they enter me into a CDR? Why did they find that I did this thing wrong and therefore I can't have my benefits? Why did they give me an overpayment? Yada, yada, yada. So the main ways that people lose SSDI is not based upon financial reasons. Sure, if you're working and earning over a certain amount, then they're going to kick you out the program because you're earning what's called SGA, Substantial Gainful Activity, and that's element 1 of the 5-step sequential process, which if you earn over that amount, just look up in Google, SGA for 2020, SGA for 2021. If you earn over that amount, then the bottom line is you are not impaired or disabled to the level required by SSDI or SSI benefits. So what is the number one reason why they took away your benefits? Could be because you're working and earning over a certain amount. Another reason is that you didn't submit forms to them as they requested them. Another reason is that you moved and changed your address and they no longer know where to send information to you, or even the paper check if you chose the paper check. Could be that you basically are being put through what's called a CDR, Continuing Disability Review, which comes in 2 forms, short form, long form. Short form is basic, simple. Long form is detailed. Long form is like, hey, you got to prove to me why you are still as impaired as you were and now meeting the new requirements as to the statutory language with my super squeaky chair. Short form is just a quick, hey, where have you been for medical? How's it going? Still impaired? Cha-cha-cha. Quick through, done, done, done. All of those are adjudicated, of course, by Disability Determination Services, which is a state-based organization that was paid by the federal government to go ahead and adjudicate claims. It's one of the many ways the federal government controls state governments by how much they pay into the state government to pay these people, yada, yada, creating jobs at the state level through federal money. All right. Why did they take away your SSDI benefits? You could have done something bad. You could have done something, for example, which would equate to, doing something nefarious. You were dealing in illegal substances, or you were working under the table, or you were XYZ doing something outside of the statute, in which case they will go ahead and review your file and try to go ahead and deny you. So those are a bunch of the reasons why, you could potentially lose your benefits for Social Security Disability Insurance Title II benefits in 2020. Watch what you put on Facebook. Watch what you put on, all these other formats. LinkedIn. Ooh, LinkedIn will get you every time. Twitter, tweeting updates about your fun in the sun. When you can't be the fun in the sun because your medications have the side effect of that, and you claim that as part of your adjudication that you can't be in the sun. If you're on a cruise ship, take pictures, that doesn't look good. Keep in mind. So my point is, with all this stuff, just think. This is a group, the federal government, that is paying you a check every month to keep you alive. That gives you Medicare. Stay in touch with them. Keep feeding the great disability machine with what it wants. Continuous medical treatment that shows you are severely impaired. Wouldn't hurt if your impairments are even getting worse every year. Just saying. Wouldn't hurt to show your medications aren't doing what they are doing and that you're trying out new medications. Wouldn't hurt. So those are some of the reasons, essentially, why you could potentially lose your Social Security Disability Insurance benefits, SSDI benefits, under SSD, Social Security Disability, during the 2020 year. All right, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. As you guys probably know already, I've made more videos than anybody else that does this stuff. I hope all is well. I'll catch you a little bit later, and hopefully we can get through this whole pandemic without issue. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. We'll go from there. Thank you. Bye-bye.